Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over SNDL and TLRY. We have breaking news that all cannabis stocks have a chance to possibly be fully legalized. We have the U.S. House of Representatives today mentioning that they're going to be voting for the second time in history for cannabis to be completely legalized. So again, this is going to have to pass the House and then the Senate, and then the president would have to sign off on it, and then therefore it would be law. So I'm going to go over SNDL, TLRY, and KERN, a few very volatile cannabis stocks that had major breakouts today. Again, we did mention this news as soon as it did come out, and we did have continuations in the Instables room with every single cannabis stock. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're looking for to have a continuation here. So jumping into SNDL with you guys here on the daily chart, as you guys can see, we had a major continuation. We did mention SNDL a couple days ago, looking to see if we can break over 66 cents. Again, 66 cents was when we did previously have our continuation on down. And as you guys can see, as soon as we did break over 66 cents, we also did mention this one in the Instables room. We had this major continuation and strong push because we broke this level. Now to jump into a few other levels with you guys here, as you guys can see, we have our fib lines that we are looking to see if we can continue on past. We have a 0.618 level that we are trying to hold. So we do want to see if we can hold 75 cents, or we could come back down and possibly test 68 cents, our next fib down at 0.50. So going into tomorrow, I would be looking to see if we can at least hold 75 cents. If we cannot hold 75 cents, then we could continue on down again to test 68 cents. But if we do continue on up, I would be looking for that break here at 84 cents. We have a 0.786 Fibonacci line here that if we do continue on past, we could be testing 96, and that blue sky breakout would be breaking over $1, that psychological resistance, but breaking over 96 would be technically breaking into new highs from that strong pullback that we had previously. Again, breaking into new highs above this pullback will be exactly what we're looking for to have that strong push. So we have a 75-cent level that we are trying to hold going to tomorrow on our 0.618 fib, and then looking to see if we can pass our 84-cent level, our 0.86 Fibonacci line, and then looking to see if we can break over $1. We do have our 96 again highs that we had previously, so breaking over 96 but breaking over $1 would be that stronger push. Again, we do need to pass the House and then we do need to pass the Senate, so that will be very much predicated on what kind of momentum we get going into tomorrow. Now looking at our buy pressure here, if we are looking for that continuation on momentum, as you guys can see, we have a large increase in buy pressure because of this news that we had today. But as you guys can see, we do have our previous buy pressure points. If we do break above our previous buy pressure point that we had here, then in my opinion, we could have that strong push as well. So we'll keep an eye on this one in the pre-market to see exactly which levels we are holding. Now to jump into TLRY with you guys, again, very similar to SNDL. As you guys can see, we do have our spike today. We are looking to see if we can break above our previous continuation on down that we had. So I would be looking to see if we can hold $7.50 if we were going to continue going to tomorrow. If we can continue on past $7.50, then we could have a major move to the upside. As you guys can see here on the MACD, we do want to see if we can not only increase in buy pressure, but get our EMA lines to cross back over our MACD. Very similar to SNDL, very similar in many cannabis stocks. Just looking to see if we can break over 750 to have that continuation. And again, very much predicated on if we can pass the House to go to the Senate. And again, we do know who has the Senate and who has most votes in the Senate. So compared to the last time that this tried to be passed, we have different Senates, and we do have more of a chance, in my opinion, to get this passed if we do pass the House and we do go to the Senate. But again, very much does have to pass the House and the Senate, and then the president will sign it more likely than not if they do pass the House and the Senate. So we'll see exactly what happens here. We will keep an eye on this news. And of course, if we do have any more developments, I will be mentioning this one in the Instables room for any continuations that we may have. And again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, we mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. We mentioned almost every single breakout you can imagine that is worth looking at throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys have been supporting me every single day, and I appreciate every one of you guys. We will continue to stay strong, just staying patient. The opportunity, you guys can see, is in front of us every single day. We have these major runners every single day, so no matter how bad the market does get, as you guys can see, we will continue to have breakouts. Even when the market was extremely bad for the last few weeks, even though we had a recent bounce, we had major breakouts even when the market was continuing on down. So again, just staying patient, letting these runners come to us, and making sure we do watch our levels and our volume, of course, will stay very key. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.